Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Wind Kiss the Moon, chapter 8. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the two of them. Ang Wang Ting said, I am unhappy because there was a sudden change of actors. The previously ordered costumes had to be changed accordingly, which greatly increased the workload. Right now, Tang Wang Ting, she wants to break free from her hands. If any of my words misunderstood you, I apologize, but now you can let go. Sorry, I drank some while taking a bath and my head became dizzy. Then, let's continue, Tang Wang Ting said to her. Right now, looking at the two of them, she really needs to take a measurement, especially right now. But looking at her, she looks really anxious. Bathrobe is so thick that I can measure it accurately. But right now, looking at her, she seems to be shy. Shang, could you please take off your bathrobe? Tang Wang Ting said to her. Oh, this is crazy. Why suddenly? She asked her. Shang Yu, right now. She was really startled. Of course, taking the bathrobe off, she can't see anything from her. Well, this is really troublesome. But Shang Yi, she really dropped down the bathrobe. She untied the rope. Right now, the rope is fall down on the floor. Well, looking at her, she was really brave. Is there anything else that needs to be done? Shang Yi said to her. But Tang Wang Ting right now, she was staring at her. She closed her eyes and moved closer to her to get a proper measurement. Of course, she needed to be closer to her. And she was really shy and she moved closer to her. It's like Tang Wang Ting, she really feels her breath in and out at this moment. That's why, looking at her, she's a little bit blushing. Although, about Shang Yi, it is obviously that a normal size and it has not happened before, but why? Right now, looking at her, she looks really anxious. Well, sudden shyness are experiencing by Shang Yi right now. Of course, she will be shy. Tang Wang Ting is seeing her so much. Right now, it seems to be a misunderstanding. Since she was really conscious right now, Shang Yi said to her, that's it. Well, at this moment, she really feels strange. Why are her hands so hot? Tang Wang Ting is asking herself. Okay, the current data is enough. Well, finally, measurement is already done. Tang Wang Ting is only taking notes about the sizes. Well, this night, this was really crazy, especially for Tang Wang Ting. She was really shy and facing Shang Yi. Shang Yi said to her, thank you very much on the night on celebration party. Well, it makes sense. Tang Wang Ting right now, her focus and attentions are on Shang Yi. Well, her imagination is getting crazy, right? Now she's seeing Shang Yi the different way. Well, Tang Wang Ting, she really want to focus and only diverted her thoughts. I've seen her body when I was being measured, but now that I'm wearing a bathrobe, why don't I twist it? Well, it makes sense. After all, well, Teacher Song and Mr. Fei noticed it first, but they couldn't get away at the time. I happen to have Davao's WeChat account. Ang Wang Ting right now. Then I won't disturb your rest. Shang Yi said to her, etc. Well, it seems that tonight, Shang Yi feels not good. And it only makes sense that Tang Wang Ting sees her. It seems that she's really drunk today. Looking forward on working with you, Shang Yi said to her. But right now, Tang Wang Ting said, I also. Right now, Tang Wang Ting, she was looking at Shang Yi. Shang Yi, still her face is turning red. Right now, when they both shake hands, Shang Yi, she rubbed lightly, said to her, me too. Well, at least the two of them, relationship is getting better. But for Tang Wang Ting, of course, she was always shy to her. Did you do it accidentally just now? Now, she's been aware. Shang Yi, suddenly, it's like she was teasing her so much. Tang Wang Ting, right now, Shang Yi, she looks really mischievous. Said to herself, It's a quite interesting. Well, it seems that she really falls in love with her. Well, let's see then on the next chapter. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!